The next thing we're going to be talking about is being a good health consumer. So, making informed choices when it comes to consuming health products. Um, Health consumer is, there we go, got the PowerPoint working. Someone who purchases or uses health products or services. Probably the most important influence you need to be aware of as a consumer is advertising. So, we talked about advertising on social media forums. You guys are bombarded with media messages all the time. The definition for advertising is a written or spoken media message designed to interest consumers in purchasing a product or service. Some of the different advertising techniques, and we'll be doing an activity with advertising techniques when we're done with our notes here. One technique is the bandwagon technique. So everyone is using it, using the product, and you should too. Rich and famous, it will make you feel rich and famous for using this product. Giveaways like free gifts. It's too good a deal to pass up. You know, Costco used to have those all the time. Pre-COVID, go in there and have some taste testing. The great outdoors. For those rugged types, if it's associated with nature, it must be healthy. Good times. The product will add fun to your life. If you use it and make you all happy. Pictures of people look like they're having a great time together. And then there's testimonials. It worked for them, so it'll work for you too. So those are just a few of the techniques. There are many other advertising techniques as well. So being a health literate consumer means being aware of and knowing how to evaluate hidden messages in advertising so you can make informed purchasing decisions. Now, evaluating products. There are two effective ways to sharpen your consumer skills when buying health products. First thing, read product labels. So we'll definitely be getting into this when we get into nutrition and reading the food labels on there. Second, do some comparison shopping before you purchase something. So some product labels, the product's name, its intended use, the directions for how to use it. Warning signs are big ones. Manufacturer's information, how much it costs, and active and inactive ingredients that are in the product. Comparison shopping. So, second grade tool for smart health consumers is comparison shopping. Judging the benefits of different products by comparing several factors such as quality, features, and costs. So, price is not and should not be the lone deciding factor. Sometimes things are cheaper because they are cheap products and they will not last or be nearly as effective. So, quality is also an important thing, and the features that come with it. Here's some criteria you should consider when comparison shopping. Cost and quality, the features, the warranty, safety, other people's opinions, and then consumer organization product ratings is a big one. Before buying an expensive product, ask about the warranty. So many expensive products generally come with at least a 1-year warranty. Some stores will have extended warranties in them. You can obviously pay for an extended warranty as well. So a company or store's written agreement to repair a product or refund your money if the product doesn't function properly. Evaluating information and services. To evaluate health information or services, ask yourself these questions. Does the information come from a valid source? So who's giving you the information? Does the service come from a respected provider? The source is a website. Who pays for the website? Is it the person that is creating and producing the product? If so, their webs and information will be skewered. So, is it a reputable organization? What is the purpose of the site? So, ask yourself those questions when you're evaluating products before purchasing.